Welcome. This is the 10-inch industrial grade Android tablet made by AOpen. This is an awesome product where you need a smaller screen that's a really clean installation because it has built-in player device. Because it has an Android OS, we've got an app for that, and you can install this on the wall outside a conference room, on a retail sales counter, on info desk at a gym, or any place where you need a smaller screen that's kind of compact like that. Awesome solution. It supports Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. We kind of are showing everything that comes in the box here. You have, of course, the tablet itself. Sitting on its optional table stand, we include a low-profile wall mount by default, and it has a standardized VISA bolt pattern on the back of it, so you can kind of use whatever mount you want. But we include the low-profile wall mount one, and then we've got a power supply that has various voltage adapters. You can also use power over Ethernet if your LAN cable has PoE back at the switch. And we've got a keyboard mouse. Of course, you can use your finger to set it up, but sometimes people like to have a keyboard. So we've got that there as well. So awesome solution if you're considering this. Great product to use for smaller screens with touch. We hope you enjoy this product.